you chose basically to not. You had the chance to. Your priority was to get more time for you and to be able to work at the rhythm that you wanted.
But I earn a little bit more of money.
So that's perfect. So that's good money.
If you hesitate.
And that's a good question, by the way. Like, how did you come up with your price? Like,
it was I was talking with other developers. I did start low because I wanted to have new clients and projects. So I was not that expensive at the beginning, and progressively through the years and seeing that people are happy with my work, I was upgrading for 50 and 50 and 50 euros a day. And it's I'm happy with my price and clients too, so it's fine.
And so basically your recommendation will be start. The most
start,
important thing is
get a little bit to have some project, work hard and work well.
Yeah.
Like produce good things, and people will be happy with it, and they will recommend you to other people, to their companies, and then you will be able to upgrade your price. Yeah, raise.
And promoting your work. I saw a question about building publicly and being able to promote your work on social media. Like, how did you came about it? Like, how did you handle that?
I just use Twitter a little bit, but I don't have that much followers. So, but it's working off.
Do you have any last maybe advice for people that would like to basically start their adventure as a freelancer?
I will say, just if you really want to do it, just do it. And if you don't manage to make it, like it's fine. You can always go back. You're not leaving something when you are trying to do another thing.
That's a very good advice. Like jump and then you see. And anyway, there will be trade-off. There will be work to do. Figuring out your first customer, your price are the maybe most complicated stuff to do, but as long as you do a great job, basically the rest will follow and you will get more customers.
And you can ask, don't hesitate to ask, like to other developers, to clients, are you happy with my work? What can I improve? Everything.
Bah, thanks a lot. Just to finish, basically, I think I will quote Henri that says, so I usually don't trust someone with two first names, but Antoine Martin is a cool dude. And yes, I agree, he's a cool dude. So if you want to hire Antoine for a project or for a job, you have his website on the chat. And we'll just also show you a new thing in Prismic that will allow you to basically hire Antoine directly. The website is Eminente that we talked about, Henri. And so, yeah, thanks a lot, Antoine.
Thank you.
Merci.